on now.
Okay. Okay, so I had a surplus of eggs from a friend's farm. They're all organic eggs, and trying to figure out something to do with it. And so we picked a bunch of amaranth from the garden and took the stems out and steamed it because it called for actually a package of frozen spinach, a pound of frozen spinach, and we substitute amaranth for spinach in most cases. And so mix that with some Munster cheese and garlic powder and made these pie crusts that are put into little muffin tins. And so there's in order to do the crust, you actually make an egg wash, which is a little bit of water beaded in with an egg, and you wipe that over all the crust and bake it first for 8 minutes, and then you fill it in with the spinach or amaranth in this case. And so they're just covering the bottom of the pie crust here, and there's 4 eggs mixed with 1 cup of heavy cream it's all organic, and then you actually put that over the spinach mixture and then bake it again. And I thought that you would actually mix the spinach in with the egg to make a quiche, but this is the way it says to do it on the recipe, so we'll see how it goes. We'll bake this again after all of the eggs are put in for 45 minutes. I'm going to reduce that time because the recipe calls for making the pie crust into a big earthenware container that will make one big quiche out of the pie, out of all of the crust. I only used half the crust because I only have 24 holes to do mini quiches. So the other half I'll do after these finish baking, and I have the other half of the pie crust here. And so we'll see how it turns out.